Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a gut-related hydrated cyst with a stone. You will wonder stone in the hydrated cyst, but it completely looks like a stone and has a posterior accosting shadow. The patient is a child aged about 7 years. Hydrated disease in people is mainly caused by infection with the larval stage of the dog tapeworm Echinococcus granulosus. It's an important pathological zoonotic and parasitic infection of humans following ingestion of tapeworm eggs excreted in the feces of the infected dogs. The cysts found in those with cystic echinococcus are usually filled with clear fluid called hydrated fluid, are spherical and typically consist of one compartment and are usually only found in one area of the body. Now you have seen the kidney, and this is urinary bladder, and this is the cyst in the right paraumbilical region. Liver is also normal. Now this is the cyst. It is round to oval in shape, has a slightly turbid fluid. Hydrated disease is potentially serious but treatable infection that may be fatal in a small number of cases. Hydrated disease occurs worldwide and is especially common in grazing areas. Again, you can see the cyst, very thick, it has very thick walls. Now, fortunately, most of it doesn't make us sick, but some can. Parasites like hookworm, roundworm, and giardia can be passed from dog to human through licking. Salmonella too can be passed from the dog to the human being and vice versa. Now you will see the cyst with the high power linear probe. Liver flukes are parasites that can infect human and cause liver and bile duct diseases, but in this case the cyst is gut related and seen in the right paraumbilical region. Liver flukes at first may cause no symptoms, depending on the type and severity of the infection. They may cause fever, chills, abdominal pain, liver enlargement, nausea, vomiting, and hives. Now you can see the gut loops. Rupture of hydrated cyst into the abdominal cavity is a rare complication of hydrated disease and causes serious problems and severe life-threatening complications, including anaphylaxis. Now you can see the stone shadowing. It may not be stone, but looks like completely a stone. You can see the posterior accosting shadowing. Again, you can see this shadowing. So rupture of the hydrated cyst can occur spontaneously and or following a trauma. Hepatic hydrated cyst is a parasitic zoonosis caused by Echinococcus tapeworm. In the liver, two agents are recognized as causing disease in the humans: Echinococcus granulosus and Echinococcus multiloquaris. Again, you can see the stone shadowing. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Again, you can see the stone shadowing. May not be stone, but looks like completely stone. Thanks for watching.